ሰላም ያላችሁ ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ እንግዲህ በአበደ ቪዲዮ ተመልሼላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። በባለፈው አንድ ውድድር ተካሂዶ ነበር። የት እንደሆነ ባላቅም ብቻ ድል ተመዝግቧል። ብቻ ኤርትራውያን አሸንፈዋል። እሱ ቪዲዮ እስቲ አብረን እናየዋለን። ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። ወደ ቪዲዮ አይ ቲንክ አፍሪካ ውስጥ መሰለኝ ጋይስ ተካሂዶ ያለው ውድድሩ ማለት ነው። መጀመሪያ ፎቶ ሳይው የቢኒያም ግርማ ይመስለኛል፣ ግን አይ ቲንክ ሌሎች ናቸው።
That's leading the entire pack. That is definitely something worth noting and worth showing that he is a force to reckon with.
Oh, and for sure that shows that he is one to move despite the pain. He does feel the pain, but he still keeps moving and
እንትኑ ኮሜንታተሮቹ ራሱ አክሰንታቸው የአፍሪካ ነው።
Keeps pushing, knowing he is the only person representing his country at this point, trying to contend for the top position. So yeah, there they are. Team Eritrea is taking lead, followed by
Team Eritrea.
Team South Africa having
South Africa no boto guys. State no የተወዳደሩ ማለት South Africa መሰለኝ.
Representation, then Team Algeria, Mauritius, Ethiopia, and finally
Ethiopia. ኢትዮጵያ ሳይክል ያለች እንዴ? ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ያየው ነው እግዚአብሔር ኢትዮጵያን ያሉበት የሳይክል ውድድር
taking lead,
በሩጫ ምናምን ነው ገሱ ኢትዮጵያ ሳይክል ላይ
followed by Team South Africa,
አሪፍ ለውጥ ነው
having representation, then Team Algeria, Mauritius, Ethiopia, and finally Team
I think እዚህ ጋር እንግዲህ ቢጫ ቀይ የለበሱት እነዚህ ናቸው ኢትዮጵያ
Rwanda.
Okay,
there it is. We have leading the bunch right now from Eritrea are Medane from Eritrea and Kudus, who are doing the bulk of the work. So I don't know, are they leaving something behind for them to do the sprint with, or are they pouring everything out there and then? There we are. There we get to see South Africa creeping up ever so slowly. That's Ren van Rensburg creeping up on the Eritrean contenders right there.
I think dagat no.
Samuel very, very close behind.
Okay.
Very, very close behind. Red Eye very, very close behind. Right there. It's
dagat ስለሆነ
this is a very, very strong bunch that we're getting to witness, and who knows what this is going to turn out to be at the very end, because we are just about getting to under the 1 kilometer mark, and this could be anyone's race, anyone's title right about now.
I feel at this point it's who can feel the pain and still go for it, who can still push regardless of what pain and fatigue that they get to experience.
ነው ብቻ ኢትዮጵያ አራተኛ ላይ አለች ኢትዮጵያ አንደኛ አልጄሪያ ሁለተኛ ሶስት ኤሪትሪያ Okay, I think African Championship መሰለኝ ሁሉም የአፍሪካ ሀገራት ናቸው.
And there we see an attack from Team Ethiopia. Are we going to see some responses? Oh yes we did. Oh yes we did.
Nobody is willing to be left behind, because at this point you let go of the real will. You are
ዞሮ የሱን ቲም እየፈለገ ነው አልቻለም በቃ አላገኛቸው.
Done. You are finished. Oh my goodness. Are we seeing South Africa being left behind? Are we seeing Ren van Rensburg being left behind? But we're seeing definitely Team Mauritius. Henry is very, very composed, very, very
ምን አደነኩ የኤርትራ ቲም እንደ ቲም ነው አብሮ እየሄደ ያለው አልተለያዩ ማይታችሁ አንዱ ሲያደክመው አንዱ ይመራል እንደዛ ነው Okay,
strong,
yes, and
very, very composed, staying absolutely calm. Oh my goodness, he has cracked, he has let go of the wheel. South Africa is gone, crushed, thwarted. Their dreams of winning the title at this point seem to be fading by the meter, by the second, by the minute. The one contender who stayed ahead with the leading back.
የቡድን ስራ ይባላል በቲም አንድ ላይ መንቀሳቀስ ስራ ግን ሌላ ታሪክ ኤርትራ በጣም ይችላል የምር
seems to be falling behind, and so is Algeria's star Lagab Azzedine. Slowly, and oh my goodness, are we seeing Henry falling behind as well? What is happening? What are we witnessing right now? What are we seeing? What is unfolding before our very eyes right now? Is the ascent of this climb taking the best of having the best of the athletes right now? Is Eritrea actually showing and stamping their authority that they are a force to reckon with at this point? It's splitting further and further. We are seeing Medane and Kudus staying up ahead. No. We are seeing Medane being left behind. This is Kudus up ahead. Oh my goodness. Kudus leading the Eritrean team, leading the break.
And they are going for it.
This is what we were waiting for. Could this be what we were waiting to see?
And they have decided to go for it.
Are we looking at an Eritrea 1-2? Are we looking at an Eastern African 1-2?
This is amazing. This is
decider
amazing.
with a mere 200 meters to the finish line. Oh my, Algeria does not have a response.
And
Eritrea taking the lead. It has been decided from the very start. It has been decided.
And
it is not going to be a sprint, ladies and gentlemen. It is not going to be a sprint finish. B1, 2, and 3 have been decided. Oh my goodness. What are we witnessing right now? Brotherhood at its finest. Look at the
Wow.
What an emotional moment for the Eastern
What
African
a
region.
win.
What an emotional moment for Eritrea. The title has been taken. The win has been made. The decision has been finally made. And authority has been stamped by Eritrea. They have dominated the breakaway. They have dominated the entire race from the very beginning. Very strategically from the very start, conserving their energy only to make a break for it at the last 300 meters to the finish line.
ኢትዮጵያ ራሱ መሳተፉ አሪፍ ነገር ነው። ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ እያየሁ ነው ማለት ነው። በሩጫ ኳስ ምናምን አይቻለሁ፣ ግን በሳይክል ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ብቻ አሪፍ ነው። ብቻ ጋይስ የዛሬ ቪዲዮአችን ይመስል ነበር። ፈታዘና እንዳላችሁ በከኔ ኩል ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። ባይ